Ancient instruments like the lyre and flute have profoundly influenced modern soundscapes, shaping the very essence of how we perceive music today. The lyre, revered in ancient Greece, not only graced the courts of poets, but also set the stage for harmony that resonates in contemporary folk music. Similarly, the bamboo flute, used in various cultures, creates haunting melodies that echo through time. These instruments embody unique techniques and tonal qualities, inspiring countless musicians worldwide. Their legacy transcends generations, weaving a rich tapestry of sounds that connect us to our ancestral roots. The echoes of these ancient sounds continue to enrich our musical landscape, reminding us of our shared heritage.